What was wrong with it being called Langham in the first place?
There was nothing wrong with it.
So why change it?
Well, you know, we looked at the hotel and we looked at, you know, the market that it was serving, and we saw tremendous growth and opportunity in the coming years for a branded hotel that was after the upscale market, the corporate traveler, the family traveler, no better word, the middle class, and so we saw the ability to grow a brand that was more about service, more about you know our colleagues giving heartfelt service to our guests, and not spending as much money when we constructed the building on the physical attributes, but more on the software.
Cordis means heart.
Yes. You know, we went into the hotel, and we've had an incredible hotel, the Langham Place Mongkok, for years, and it was difficult to make the decision to change that because our guests love the place. But we thought there would be a great opportunity to take this, move it, you know, not only in China but move it around the world. And recreate a new brand and give it its own identity from our other Langham hotels and resorts.
Well, that's good. I was coming to that because it's like Langham Hotels and Resorts is not going away.
No, we'll continue to grow. Matter of fact, yesterday we signed our first Langham hotel in Dubai. We had a signing ceremony yesterday at our Langham here in Hong Kong. So no, we'll continue to grow Langham Hotels and Resorts in a luxury segment. We just saw tremendous opportunity in the upscale market, not only to...
So you're looking at, you've got three. You've got Langham, you've got then Cordis, and then Eden.
And then we have Eden that is a part of the young millennium traveler who's continues to use hotels in a different way than people in the past.
Okay, let me ask you a question, Robert. You know, you had Langham Hotels and you rebranded Eden, didn't you? To something.
Yeah, we're in a process of changing over the Eden brand to to focus on.
Okay, so have you seen any uptick in terms of revenue per available room, that sort of thing, with Eden as a consequence of that rebranding?
No, we haven't rebranded Eden yet. Eden rebranding will take place at the end of this year.
Ah, okay.
And so we basically looked at Langham Hospitality Group and said, where is the future? We're very bullish of our industry, in the long run, and we looked at what segments did we feel were going to be important to be into as a business, and we'll continue to focus on our Langham Hotels and Resorts in the luxury market and continue to grow not only here in Asia, but as well as Europe, Middle East, and North America. And we then saw this incredible opportunity in Cordis. Our initial focus was a lot on China in the growth of the middle class and the amount of travel in China. Yet, surprisingly, we've had tremendous reception from developers around the world. Matter of fact, we had our current owner of our new hotel in Bali stayed at the Langham Place Mongkok, picked up the phone and called us and said, I'm building a hotel in Bali and I want you guys to manage it.
No, that's the franchise model that people are moving towards, isn't it? Or have moved towards. But tell me something here, Robert. I mean, aren't you in danger also with the rebranding exercise of alienating the previous customers that you had who go, well, what is this Cordis place?
Yeah, you know, over the past 9 months, as we thought about that, we've gone through and completely renovated the Mongkok Hotel. So every guest room's been redone. Both of the two restaurants, the lobby has been completely redone. So we've focused on saying, we're going to give you the same heartfelt service that you've always received when you stayed in Mongkok. Yet we've given you something new. We've gone in and renovated. So we think our guests are going to be excited by that. Matter of fact, we've invited 600 of them tomorrow to come join us with in the celebration of launching this new brand based on what they've made us successful for.